sing the cowboy song.
Side by side,
Cowboy riding through the sun, prairie day is full of fun. Boots and hat and friendly smile, trotting gently mile by mile. Past the fence and past the tree, big blue sky for you and me. Clippity-clop along the way, happy horse on a bright warm day. Ride along, nice and slow, where the golden grasses grow. Wave hello and sing with glee, cowboy fun for all to see. Ride along, cowboy sings a happy song. Clippity-clop across the land, friendly horse and waving hand. Ride along, sing with me, sunny trail so cheerfully. Wave and clap and shout hooray, cowboy rides today. By the stream and by the gate, trotting at an easy pace. Little birds in clouds so white, everything looks warm and bright. Round the bend and down the track, then the cowboy circles back. Friendly horse with swishing tail, happy ride along the trail.
can you tip your hat?
Tip, tip, tip,
Can you clap your hands?
clap, clap, clap.
Can you trot in place?
Clap, clap, clap.
Can you